Most businesses do not actually lose money because they are not getting leads. They lose money because the moment a lead comes in, the system behind that lead is usually a mess. A form gets submitted, an email notification gets buried, someone forgets to reply, follow-up happens too late, appointments are manually handled, and what should have been a paying customer quietly disappears in the gap between tools. And that is the part most people underestimate because generating traffic is only half the job. What happens after the click is where the business either grows or leaks revenue. So today I want to test something practical. Can one platform actually run that entire backend in one place without needing 5 disconnected software stitched together? This is HighLevel, an AI-powered business growth platform built to capture leads, automate follow-up, manage conversations, book appointments, and keep the entire customer journey connected. So instead of just talking about what it can do, I want to build a simple live lead handling system inside the dashboard and see how much of the business process can actually be automated. Right now, I'm inside the main HighLevel account. And on the left side, you can already see why this platform feels different. Conversations, calendars, contacts, opportunities, payments, marketing, automation, sites, reputation, reporting. Everything important is sitting inside one ecosystem instead of being scattered across different apps. And that matters because most businesses are still trying to run forms in one software, messages in another, booking somewhere else, email campaigns in another tool, and then wondering why lead response feels chaotic. Here, the goal is to make every stage talk to the next stage automatically. So the first thing I need is a lead entry point. Inside Sites, I open Forms, click Builder, choose a blank form, and start dropping in 4 simple fields: full name, email address, phone number, and service request. Nothing fancy, just a clean inquiry form that could sit under an ad on a landing page or directly on a business website. I save the form, publish it, and now technically the business can collect leads. But collecting leads is the easy part. The real question is, what happens 1 second after someone presses submit? So I jump over to contacts. This is where every new inquiry gets stored as a real CRM record. Not just a notification email somewhere, but a full contact profile with phone number, email, notes, source history, tags, and all future communication attached to one person. That means every lead entering the system becomes instantly searchable and trackable. Now from there, I go into opportunities because I do not want this lead just sitting as a contact. I want it moving through a revenue pipeline. So I click Create Pipeline and build 4 very simple stages: new lead, contacted, booked appointment, and closed customer. This is important because now every inquiry visually has a place inside the sales process. The business can immediately see how many leads are fresh, how many have been reached, how many are booked, and how many have converted. No more guessing where inquiries are dying. But this still does not solve the biggest problem, which is response speed, because if nobody follows up fast enough, the lead still goes cold. So now I open automation, hit Create Workflow, choose Start from Scratch, and set my first trigger to Form Submitted, meaning the second somebody fills out that inquiry form, this workflow starts running by itself. Now I begin stacking actions underneath that trigger. First action, create or update contact. Second action, create opportunity and automatically place that person inside new lead. Third action, send SMS. I type a simple instant acknowledgement saying, "Thanks for reaching out. We received your request and will contact you shortly." Then I add another action, send email confirmation. Then I add internal notification so the business owner immediately knows a new lead just came in. And then I add a wait step for 1 hour, followed by one more follow-up text if there's been no reply yet. And this is where the system already becomes useful, because now, instead of the lead entering silence, the platform reacts instantly. The CRM updates, the pipeline updates, the customer gets a response, the owner gets notified, and the follow-up sequence has already started automatically. That one change alone removes one of the biggest lead leaks most businesses have. Now let's take the lead one step further. A lead replied they are interested, and the next goal is turning that into an appointment without manual back and forth. So I go into calendars, create a booking calendar, set available consultation slots, choose the working hours, save it, and copy that booking link directly into the workflow messages. And this is where HighLevel starts feeling less like separate software features and more like one synchronized growth engine. Lead capture, CRM management, pipeline visibility, automated follow-up, unified conversations, calendar booking, review generation, everything feeding the next step. That is the part businesses usually miss. They think they need more ads, more traffic, more leads, but very often they simply need fewer gaps between the tools they are already using, because every disconnected handoff is where money gets lost. HighLevel was built to remove those handoffs. One place to capture, one place to communicate, one place to automate, one place to convert, and one place to keep the customer journey moving. So if your business still runs on scattered forms, manual follow-up, missed messages, and disconnected booking tools, this platform is absolutely worth testing. I've put the official HighLevel link below in the description, where you can start a free 14-day trial and build a workflow like this yourself. Once you actually see the backend moving in one connected system, you understand very quickly why organized businesses scale much faster than busy businesses. This was the first introduction to the HighLevel platform. In the next few videos, we'll be testing its other features much more deeply and exploring more advanced workflows and capabilities. The goal of this video was mainly to introduce the platform and give you an initial overview of how it works. Thank you again for joining me in this video. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, leave a like if you enjoyed the video, and I'll see you in the next one.